Ever used Grab to book a ride or order food? Chances are, you've come across GrabPay. But have you ever wondered what the heck the difference is between GrabPay and GrabPay wallet? It's like asking if a car and a car's gas tank are the same thing. They're connected, but they're not exactly identical. Let's break it down. Imagine GrabPay as the entire world of cashless payments offered by Grab. It's a big, bustling city with different neighborhoods for different payment styles. You've got your credit card lane, your debit card avenue, your digital wallet district, and even a special zone for cashing in rewards. So, GrabPay is like the entire city, a broad term covering all these payment options. Now, let's zoom in on one neighborhood, the GrabPay wallet. This is where the digital magic happens. It's your personal e-wallet within the GrabPay city. Think of it as your digital piggy bank. You load it up with money, and then you can use that money to pay for rides, food, shopping, and more. It's like carrying around cash, but without the hassle of losing it or counting coins. So, to recap, GrabPay is the big picture, the entire payment ecosystem. GrabPay wallet is a specific part of that ecosystem, your personal digital wallet. It's like saying, I'm using GrabPay to pay for my ride versus I'm using my GrabPay wallet to pay for my ride. See the difference? But wait, there's more. The GrabPay wallet isn't just a place to store money. It's also a gateway to rewards, discounts, and exclusive offers. You can earn points on your spending, which can then be redeemed for free rides, food vouchers, or even merchandise. It's like getting paid to pay. So, the next time you're booking a Grab ride or ordering your favorite food, take a moment to appreciate the convenience and flexibility of GrabPay. And remember, your GrabPay wallet is your personal financial sidekick, ready to help you save money and enjoy a smoother payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.